Hello, welcome to Rethink Collaboration. Thanks for joining me. I'm Gail, and in this webinar, we'll look at the future of work. What does collaboration look like as we recover from the COVID crisis? Don't worry, this isn't a standard product demo. Instead, we'll look at 3 hybrid workplace use cases and how you can rethink collaboration to make work from anywhere the best work ever. The agenda is all about what you're facing today as the future of work arrives in your inbox. What are the challenges you and your colleagues will solve in the new hybrid workplace? And how does Zimbra fit into these plans? In 2020, we saw the most severe disruption to daily work life that most of us will ever experience. We've had to rethink everything. How do you work from home, apart from your teams, and still remain productive? How do organizations rethink their entire approach to technology? One of COVID-19's biggest impacts on businesses was spend. According to IDC, overall IT budgets declined for 2021, but spend for digital transformation projects will grow 10.4% in 2022. Why digital transformation? Because technology is keeping businesses afloat. Thanks to technology, we can work from anywhere and remain agile and productive. Technology is also helping us rethink traditional revenue streams. The pandemic pushed us to reimagine how we engage our customers, forge new business opportunities, and create new revenue streams. As we continue this recovery, technology will be at the center of business processes and initiatives. Traditional work models don't work for the agility, scalability, and resilience we need for today. So what is the future of work and the hybrid workplace? Gartner says that by the end of 2021, remote workers will represent 32% of all employees worldwide. And as offices reopen, 51% will have a hybrid environment where employees work from home at least 1 to 2 times a week. Imagine the massive impact this will have on how and where remote workers use their IT equipment. The hybrid workplace will have it all, remote and on-site workers, and some employees who do both. This is the future of work where we work from anywhere. How will the future of work thrive? Businesses are rethinking everything: workplaces, work models, and workflows. And they're introducing digital business transformation plans to solve the hybrid workplace challenges. They're investing in tools that support innovation, anywhere operations, and employee productivity. Let's take a look at the 3 biggest challenges of the hybrid workplace. It's our new normal, and we have to make it successful. How can we develop and improve team engagement and collaboration for better productivity? How can we be even more agile? How do we provide flexible options for employees to keep them connected and to avoid the pitfalls of siloed information and knowledge loss? What is the best way to ensure that remote employees have a secure and seamless environment for access, storage, and data management? Zimbra has always had these challenges at the heart of our products. Zimbra is agile collaboration from anywhere for the future of work. Please welcome Andrew Shingler, who will solve each of these challenges as specific use cases.
Thank you, Gail. Building effective relationships within teams requires a collaboration workspace that is easy to use and provides seamless access between applications, whilst at the same time maintaining the security and compliance of goals of the organisation. Today's business challenge is one in which people are working from a variety of different locations: the office, home, cafes, or even by the poolside. Organisations have to create an environment where they can collaborate, they can engage, and they can have people working from all number of remote locations. So how can Zimbra help achieve this? Zimbra includes the Zimbra Docs application. This feature enables you to create and collaborate on Office documents, allowing you to create text documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and share them internally or even externally. Zimbra Docs also allows you to do real-time collaborative editing of documents. The Zimbra chat application gives you the ability to quickly initiate one-to-one or group chats with your co-workers. It also includes an audio-video feature that allows users to quickly set up one-to-one or group calls with their colleagues. All of this can be done from the browser and desktop clients for real-time collaboration. A hybrid workspace means a user should be able to have access to all their data, but at the same time, the data should not be stored in silos. When this happens, it creates a knowledge and productivity loss. So to avoid this, users' applications and data have to be seamlessly connected with each other. Zimbra gives you the freedom of choice. We don't force our customers to use the native capabilities that are built into the core product. We allow end users and IT administrators to choose the tools that have decided are the best fit for their organization. So, for example, if your organization has already made the decision to invest in Zoom or WebEx as the preferred tools for video conferencing, Zimbra has native integrations that can seamlessly leverage these applications directly from the Zimbra web client. If your organization has a preference or has already invested in file sharing applications such as Nextcloud, Dropbox or Google Drive, then Zimbra again has integrations with these too. Similarly, in the case of the well-known chat service Slack, we provide a native integration to allow your users to see the online Slack status of their colleagues and initiate real-time communications launched directly from their Zimbra web client. To further extend the freedom of choice, users can take advantage of the Zimbra connector for Microsoft Outlook desktop clients, or utilize the native mobile device applications that are synchronized via the Exchange Active Sync protocol. Zimbra supports these widely adopted protocols, means that they can continue to use their favorite desktop and mobile applications and quickly take advantage of Zimbra's collaboration features and costs with little or no learning curve. We also have to ensure that while the users are accessing their data from remote locations or from different geographic regions, the data is secure and the organization's intellectual property is fully protected. Zimbra allows you to secure your collaboration environment with several native capabilities. These include two-factor authentication. This adds an additional layer of authentication into the sign-on process and is natively built into the product. Zimbra supports S-MIME for end-to-end signing and encryption of email communications for added levels of privacy and sender verification. Mobile device management capabilities are also built into the mobile sync protocols to allow you to do remote wiping of devices. Administrators can also control which devices are allowed to connect to the platform to assure that only corporate-approved devices are given access. Corporate and legal compliance is also taken care of by the archive and discovery features in Zimbra. None of these capabilities mentioned here require third-party software or additional components to be licensed or deployed, since they are all included in the core Zimbra product. So basically, we allow your users to fully collaborate with the freedom to choose their preferred applications, whilst at the same time making sure that your environment is safe and secure and still under the full control of corporate IT. Zimbra is today powering millions of mailboxes worldwide, and we are considered a leader in the open source world for email collaboration software. Zimbra can be deployed in an environment of your choice. It can be deployed on premises, on public and private cloud environments, on virtual and physical infrastructure, therefore allowing you to control the data sovereignty of your environment and comply with your local laws and regulations. Zimbra customers encompass all industry segments, whether they are government organisations, educational establishments, large, medium enterprises, and even large-scale telcos and ISP. Zimbra is not just an email software, it is a complete collaboration solution and has been identified as a leader in the industry by analysts such as Radicati.
Thank you very much for joining us for Rethink Collaboration. If you have any questions, let us know at zimbra-team@zimbra.com.